Hello guys, now we will be looking at some decorator function. So what decorator function do? So decorator function is a very powerful function, basically or you can say tool in Python. So it allow programmer to basically modify and change the behavior of function or a class. So it basically used to like modify the function. I want to it is basically saying I want to copy the behavior of another function. So it allow us to wrap that particular function in order to extend the behavior uh, of that particular function by permanently without modifying it. Okay, so let's deep dive with some example. Okay, so here as you can see, uh, I have defined one function, that is print function, and I am taking one parameter, that is text. Now what I am returning it, I am returning by making them as a capital case. Okay, now you can see I have basically printed it. Okay, so as you can see, it has returned capital letter of hello, which I passed like small letter. Okay, so as you can see, it has returned me capital hello. Now what I am doing here is I am assigning that particular function to a new variable fn. So what I am doing here is basically copying the behavior of that particular function. Now I will pass uh, that new variable to my I'm gonna use that particular variable that I just assigned as a function. As you can see, I am passing that new variable to the fn function. Okay, which is a variable for now. Okay, so let's say fellow, so it will return me caps caps fellow, as you can see. So what I am doing here is I am just copying the behavior of that particular existing function. Okay, now let's look at another example. So basically I have defined three functions here, a, b, c, and both a and b take text and convert it to upper and lower case. Now there is third function. Basically here I am taking uh, inside the third function I am taking another function here. Okay, and you can see I am assigning it to hello and returning back printing back hello. Now inside that function I am saying hi, I am created a function by passing an argument. Okay, now you can see I am calling uh, the third function, which is c, and inside that I am passing uh, like another function, that is a. So what c is going to do, inside c basically I am copying the behavior of function a. Now it will return me this particular text but in caps lock letter. Okay, and the second one will return me small letter, as you can see here. So I am running it again, and you see that first one returned me capital and second one returned me small, because I am calling the behavior inside one function. Okay, so basically inside c I am calling the behavior of uh, function a and b. So this is how you will be doing. Let's take another example. So basically here I have defined two function, one inside another, so you can say nested function also. So here I am taking I have defined one uh, uh, basically function that is with the name add, and I am taking x parameter here, and then another function which is adder, where I am taking y variable. Now I am returning x plus y. So what will happen, and then I am again returning adder. So what is this one? So basically I am taking that particular adder as a return statement. Okay, so now let's say I have defined add 15 equal to add 15. So basically I am calling here, so I mean with the name it's creating confusion. Okay, so no worries. Let's say I have named it someone. Okay, now basically what I am doing here is I am calling add function here with the value 15. So it will come here 15. Now it will do nothing. Okay, so it will store in the someone. Now again I am calling someone here, someone, and passing 10. Okay, now what will happen, it will return you 25, because first time you passed it, it stored the 15, and second time you passed it, returned you the value of adder. Okay, so in the adder what you doing, you taking x variable and the y variable and returning the sum of the both variables. So this is how basically decorator are used to copy the behavior of another function, or you can say you can use it in nested function also.